What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is gonna be a night fishing trip for us. So it's about 7:30, 8 o'clock over here, and we're almost out of light. So we launched the boat and we're heading to the fishing spot right now. And as we get there, we're marking a lot of fish. So my brother-in-law picked up one fish trolling, so we decided to anchor and try some bait. So this is the plan for this trip, to find some big fish at night. Unfortunately, we had to cut the trip short because of the wind. The wind picked up really bad and it got really choppy out there. So this is gonna be a really quick one.
Are you on the other line?
So right now my brother-in-law just picked up a fish trolling, and I'm sorry for being so dark. I should have put both lights on. I thought it would have come out a little better, but I should have known that the GoPro doesn't do that good at night. But he's got the clicker on and he's crying because he let a lot of line out, so it's kind of funny to watch. I hope you guys can see the fish at the end of the fight here.
He's swimming towards you? Huh? He's swimming towards you? He's right under you. I can see him on the fish finder.
I don't think he's a keeper. It's a nice fish.
I think he's a keeper.
Can I bring it to you?
Yeah, bring it. Hold on. It's a keeper. I think it's a keeper. There you go. Ooh, yeah. Good job.
Thank God. Another one, dude.
See? Single hook catch fish
Yeah,
too.
they do.
Careful.
Yeah, okay. He's inside already.
So after we anchor,
Okay, why do you work
I was trying to fish with a bunker head and it wasn't working out, so I cut a little piece of the middle part of the bunker, and I was just letting
Get my lines out.
it go along with the drift. And one of the times that I let it go, I got this nice big fish. So I'm gonna stop talking right now and let you guys enjoy the fight over here. Like I said, it's a really quick one. He caught one fish and I caught one, and we had to cut the trip short. The wind picked up pretty bad and we had to haul ass home. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you like these types of videos, subscribe and hit the like below, it really helps. And I hope I can bring more fish in the next one. So I'll catch you guys in the water, and thanks a lot for watching.
Fish on.
Oh, velho, desligou. Ou tá filmando? Ah, não,
Não,
tá
tô filmando, cara.
Okay, sorry. Because I was seeing you into the screen and then the screen went off. Should I take the lines out?
Maybe.
You know what? How do I... Okay. Let me put this in here.
E ela twist. Deixa eu colocar.
Okay. I think it's good. I'll take those lines out.
The other one. The other one is on my line. Okay, just go. Pega a vara. Just go over and under. No, cara. Pega a outra primeira. The other one. Just go over here with the rod. Go under. Above. There you go.
Get the net.
Yeah, just get the net now. The kicker. Ooh, nice fish. Nice fish.
Into the net. What? Man. That's a really nice one, George. Good job.
Look at the size of that thing.
Yeah, that's
Oh my God, hold on. Let me get the camera real quick. Look at the size of the fish. Oops. You want to measure him real quick?
Yeah. You want to release him or do you want to...
I think we should release him. What do you think?
Take the one. So, I don't know,
Get the boga real quick so we can check the weight.
This one is
36. 30,
36 and a half, 36 and 3/4.
36 and 3/4. What do you think? Let him go?
It's up to you. I got it.
Yeah, let's let him go. Ah, circle hook.
I took that circle hook off.
Right on the lip. Look at that.
He works, man. He
Yeah.
works. No harm to the fish.
This one is
Where is the camera?
19 pounds right there.